Objective number 1, to expose students to the practical application of pre-filling inventory in a woodland setting. Objective number 2, to train students to establish subplots for different sizes, such as 10 meter times 10 meter for trees, 5 meter times 5 meter for poles, and 2 meters times 2 meters for samplings. Objective number 3, to measure and record, first, DBH, diameter at breast height, number 2, circumference reference, and number 3, sampling height. Objective number 4, to develop students' knowledge of proper field data collection techniques, accurate measurement methods, importance of pre-filling inventory in forests under the Selective Management System SMS. Materials and apparatus. The material and apparatus that had been used in the laboratory section included a compass, inclinometer, measuring tape, plot marking sticks, plot marking tape, and also a global positioning system (GPS). All of these instruments were of a certain role in the pre-filling inventory plots establishment. Firstly, Dr. briefed how to use the compass before the actual lab activity began. We go to the pre-filling inventory in the forest setting. And now let's move into the forest site. Selecting the starting point as the entry to the forest for the sampling. And then mark the first corner of the plot with plot marking sticks. From the first corner, point the compass to the same true bearing, then same as the inventory line. Using the measuring tape, measure a 10 meter distance from the first corner, following the true bearing of the inventory line. And then use another plot marking sticks to mark the second corner. Don't forget to use the plot marking tape to adjust the stick. Our next step is, from the second corner, point the compass in the direction in perpendicular to the inventory line to form a 90-degree angle using the compass. After that, measure 10 meter distance from the second corner and place another wooden stake. That stake will become the third corner. From that corner, measure 10 meter distance following the true bearing of the inventory line. At the end of the line, use another wooden stake to mark the fourth corner, completing the 10 meter times 10 meter subplot. Repeat the same step to form the subsequent 5 times 5 meter and also 2 meter times 2 meter subplots. After that, we started to check the angle of the tree species with the inclinometer. We use for all the 3 subplots. We also recorded the diameter of the breast height (DBH) for the 3 species in all 3 subplots. We also collected the leaves of the trees for checking the species for we note down in the lab report. We also checked the subplot location with the GPS. Lastly, we gathered and recorded all the information we gathered together. That's all from Group 2. Thank you.